Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to put text in alphabetical order within Google Docs. Now this is actually very easy, but sadly Google does not offer this feature within Google Docs. This is a third-party app, but it still works perfectly fine. Now what you need to do is you need to go to extensions right here. For me it's in Dutch, but it will say, if you have your language in English, it will say extensions right here, and then tap on add-ons and tap on add add-ons. Alright, and this is basically the shop for different add-ons. And what you need to do is you need to tap on search for apps. Alright, and what you need to do is you need to search for sorted paragraphs. Right, the first one, tap on this one and this one. So it's this one, sorted paragraphs, from Philip, and tap on that. And as you can see, sorted paragraphs, sort your paragraphs, list, and blah blah blah, doesn't matter. But the only thing you need to do right now is tap on install and tap on continue. And when you tap on continue, you need to select the account, your Google account, and give them permissions. So I'm gonna do that right now. And after you gave permissions, you can tap on done. You can close this, and now you think how can I put the text actually in alphabetical order? Now, what you need to do is you need to select the text that you want to put in alphabetical order. For example, this text, and then tap again on extensions. And right here you see this extension, sorted paragraphs. And what you need to do is you need to tap on sort A to Z or sort Z to A. So just tap on that, and right now it is loading. As you can see, this text is put in alphabetical order. And let me just test it one more time with a lot of letters. Alright, select these letters, all of these letters. Again, go to extensions, add-ons, sorted paragraphs, and sort A to Z. And as you can see, now it is sorted very, very fast. So this works perfectly fine. Sadly, again, it is not a feature that Google offers built in, but it's a third-party app, but still it works perfectly fine. And you can easily delete this extension again by tapping on extension, add-ons, manage add-ons, tap on this, and tap on delete. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.